Benji, welcome back. Today we're gonna make A for alligator.
Alright, so we're gonna do the letter A today.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Kid Ray's channel.
Yeah.
So the things you're gonna need for this project is
This.
we're gonna need our green paint,
Yeah. Green paint.
2 googly eyes, glue, red tongue of the alligator, and white for the teeth. And you're gonna need 1 paper plate. See, we already cut the paper plate in half. We're gonna paint the backside green. Are you ready?
It looks like a mermaid. A mermaid tail.
Are you ready to start with your alligator?
Mommy, it looks like a mermaid tail.
Okay, it does. It sure does. All right, let's get into it.
Is this side?
All right. I finished painting your green alligator body, so we're gonna wait till it dries, okay? Let's give it 10 minutes. All right, you guys are gonna see me first. Down here, I'm gonna shoot the alligator on its eyes. All right, guys, I cut from here and I made the 2. It looks a little funny, but I made the 2 little the areas for the eyeballs. And then I'm gonna cut down this one to make it the same size. Alright guys, so here is the finished cutting project. Now we're gonna get our glue. Maybe you can get your glue. Get the glue bottle. We're gonna glue the eyeballs. See if it's open. Alright, you're gonna put a little drop the eye area, the eyes, on. Squeeze it. Okay, that's a lot.
Ooh, oh no!
So we're gonna get the eyeballs.
Mommy, look!
I know, it's okay. There's the eyeball. Put the eyeball in the glue. That's okay. We'll clean it up. Here's the other eye. Alright, so now we're gonna glue our teeth. So I cut out little small shapes like this, like teeth. And we're gonna glue it under our arm in the middle of the plate. Remember, a little drop, that's a lot. Now we're gonna do it under our bottom piece. See where our top one came off?
No.
Let's add it onto our bottom piece. Good job. The other ones.
This one, we're gonna take that off.
That's fine. I might need one more. Let's get you one.
We need one more here.
You want to put one more? Grab one more. There you go. It's okay. Find an alligator. Alright, good job. We don't need any more teeth. Now we're gonna add the tongue. So we're gonna grab at the end, we're gonna try to stick these together. But for now,
We have to put glue.
let's put the tongue at the bottom here like this. Stick it out. Let's turn over the bottom piece. Turn this over. that one. You need to turn over that one.
Why?
I'm gonna do it like this. Ready? Hold it up. Okay, go ahead. Turn it around. Uh-oh. Swing it up.
Oops, guys.
Alright, so to connect these, you can always use hot glue or a stapler. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little tiny drop there. And we're gonna hold it down for a little bit so it can connect, okay? Do you like your alligator?